What should I do when my new PC build shows error codes? Imagine unboxing your brand new gaming PC and hitting the power button, only to be met with strange blinking lights or error beeps. That moment can be frustrating, but stay calm. When your new PC shows error codes, the first step is to understand what those codes mean. Many modern motherboards have tiny LED indicators or a small digital display that shows post codes. These codes point directly to which hardware component might be causing the issue. For example, some motherboards have LEDs labeled for CPU, memory, graphics card, or boot device. Checking these signals can give you a quick idea of where to start troubleshooting. The next step is to consult your motherboard manual. It contains a list of error codes and what they signify. Once you know what the code indicates, you can focus on that specific component. Now, start with the basics. Make sure all your hardware parts are seated properly. Check that the CPU is correctly installed with the alignment markers matching. Ensure the RAM sticks are fully pushed into their slots and that your graphics card is clicked into place with all power connectors attached. Loose connections are a common cause of errors. Next, verify your power supply connections. Confirm that the 24-pin motherboard power cable, the 8-pin CPU power cable, and any GPU power cables are securely plugged in. An underpowered or faulty power supply can cause boot failures and error signals. Also, check your front panel connectors. The cables from your case's power button, reset button, and LED indicators need to be properly connected to the motherboard's front panel header. Incorrect wiring here can prevent your PC from turning on or cause error codes. If you have integrated graphics on your CPU, try removing the graphics card and connecting your monitor directly to the motherboard video port. This helps identify if the graphics card is the problem. Test each RAM stick individually by booting with only one stick at a time in different slots. Faulty memory or a bad slot can trigger errors. When it comes to the CPU, make sure it is installed correctly and that the cooler is mounted properly. Overheating or improper installation can cause instability. If your PC can get to the BIOS, consider updating it to the latest version from the motherboard manufacturer's website. Sometimes new hardware needs a BIOS update to work properly. If you cannot boot into BIOS, try resetting it by clearing the CMOS. This involves either using a jumper on the motherboard or removing the small battery for a few minutes. If error codes persist after these steps, it might be time to test components in another system or swap in known good parts. Faulty RAM, graphics card, motherboard, or power supply can all cause ongoing issues. Remember, resolving these error signals is key to having a stable gaming setup. Once your build passes post without errors, you can focus on installing drivers and optimizing your system for gaming. In the end, methodically checking each component and connection will help you identify the problem and get your new gaming PC ready for action.